Introduce highlight features or overview summary for Galax GeForce RTX 4070 Ti Gamer, White, 12GB, Gaming Graphics Card. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include GPU engine specs. CUDA cores, 7680, boost clock, 2670 MHz, one-click OC clock, 2685 MHz, by installing Xtreme Tuner Plus software and using one-click OC. Memory specs. Memory speed, 21 GB standard memory config, 12 GB memory interface width, 192-bit GDDR6X memory bandwidth, 504 GB per second. Feature support. PCIe 4.0 Windows 10 11ths, 64-bit. Fan feature. 2x92mm, 1x102mm Wing 2.0 with fan stop at idle, all fan. Display support. DisplayPort 1.4x3/HDMI 2.1x1. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe us, and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.